Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BossBetter Virtual Summit.
Hello, friends, and welcome to our second BossBetter Virtual Summit, or as we've been calling it here, BBVS2, The Empire Strikes Back. How you show up as a leader is guided by a core set of values. In a sense, they are like your leadership software, your boss operating system. Our agenda is divided up into 4 workshop segments.
You've got to put the brain power in so it's clear in your mind how you want to lead.
And for you start with trust and then and you operate as if until someone gives you a reason not to.
Exactly. Competence, though, the other part of trust, you never assume.
This is about 5 years old now. I got the diagram, and up here at the top, I got rumble strips.
So name that horror movie. So I'm going to show you guys an emoji that represents a horror movie, okay? Bree got it again. It is Psycho. Psycho, everybody. Silence of the Lambs. Ooh, I think Whitney. Whitney got it. Well done, Whitney.
All of these are ideas that for many of you live at the core of how you want to lead, what you believe about what your team needs from you in order to be at their best every day. What I hope you see in front of you is a mess. I hope you see a whole bunch of ideas.
Just a moment here, and now, woo, here they come. They're coming in fast. So we got discernment, accountability, altruistic. Accountability is, oh, that's a big one. Integrity.
I just wish that I could go back in time and have done this for myself when I was still in that leadership role. When I blank, fill that blank in, I feel most authentic to my belief or value of X.
Our first winner right here is Jamie Young. Congratulations, Keely. You did such a great job there, Keely. Tiger King. Oh, Natalie. Are you Carol Baskin, Natalie?
Take my money, Disney. Just take it. I love Disney World. We are creating insight and language that you can use with your team. Habits are things that we do over and over again, either on a schedule or in certain situations.
You know, I make a point, there's a difference between a mistake and negligence. In the case of initiative, when you allow initiative as a leader, you're really surrendering power in a lot of ways.
We've reached the point now where we're going to move to the final 2 sheets in your packet, and we're going to put this all together. So you should pull out this boss blueprint. When your work allows you to show up in alignment with your boss beliefs, you feel fulfilled, competent, energized. You go home at the end of the day tired, but it's the good tired. It's the feeling of tired, accomplished.